I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Gugu. I am also known as Snare_Guguletu on all my social media platforms. Feel free to follow me because I really do drop some premium content, and that's on period. To all my returning subscribers, my day ones, my VIP gig. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. And if you're new here and you're seeing my face for the first time and you're thinking to yourself, who is this gorgeous Han? My name is Gugu. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and I definitely hope you hit that subscribe button and become part of my family. Guys, we have done a lot of unboxings on this channel, in this home, but you see this one, I have never seen my husband so excited about an unboxing. I'm excited too, don't get me wrong, I'm also excited, but he is super excited. And the reason we are both so excited is because Skyworth has sent us their latest 4K QLED Plus game TV. My husband is losing his mind. It's a sports TV, it's a game TV, perfect for movies. Without wasting any more time, let's unbox this gorgeous TV. The TV is over there. Hubby's coming down now. Are you excited?
Wow.
What did I tell you?
This is beautiful. Guys, I love electronics. Oh, this is beautiful.
Let's unbox. I thought we were gonna lift it, Mina.
There we go.
I got it.
Yeah, the thing is, I got it. This one is back. Then we put on. Fine. There we go.
Okay guys, so here is the remote. I'm about to switch on the TV for the first time. Are you ready?
Yep.
Ooh, Google TV. Okay, so the remote comes with a voice command, like a hands-free voice command. By that I mean that you don't have to hold the remote in your hands. Let's say I want to open YouTube and the TV is on. The remote is over there and I don't want to reach for it. The remote is far from me. All I have to say is speak to the TV and it will open YouTube for me. Let me show you. Hey Google, open YouTube.
Opening YouTube for Android TV.
Hey Google, show me funny movies. And then it suggests all the funny movies that you'd like to watch. Hey Google, open White Chicks.
There are a few ways you can watch White Chicks. To get started, just pick the app you want to use.
Netflix. And then you can watch your movie. Did you guys see that? What an amazing TV. Another feature that I'm completely loving with the remote is the Find My Remote feature. So let's say you can't find your remote, you don't know where your remote is, you've been looking for hours. You can just tap on the TV and your remote will beep. Let me show you. Let it switch on. See, it says Find My Remote. It's looking for the remote. You see? It's beeping. And then it's gonna continue beeping until you find the remote. And then once you found the remote, you just pick it up. So you just pick up the remote and you have it. And then you just signal to the TV that you have the remote. It stops beeping. You never have to look for a remote. Ever, ever. Tell me you don't want to buy this TV. Tell me now. You need a new TV. Skyworth is the brand. It's time to check out soccer. The Skyworth TV comes with special gaming and sports mode combined with a 144Hz refresh rate to give you the ultimate viewing experience. For gamers, the gaming mode makes sure that fast action scenes are super smooth with no lag or stutter. It makes every move feel more responsive, which is perfect for staying ahead in your favorite games. And for sport fans, the sports mode enhances the clarity and smoothness of fast action, like a soccer goal or a race car speeding by. The 144Hz refresh rate keeps everything looking sharp and fluid. The 144Hz refresh rate keeps everything looking sharp and fluid, so you never miss a moment of the excitement. In short, this TV makes both gaming and watching sports incredibly immersive and lifelike.
Skyworth, I'm sold.
I'm sold too! And lastly, Skyworth Game TV comes with eye care. So the eye care technology is designed to make watching TV easier on your eyes. It reduces harmful blue light and uses flicker-free backlighting, which means you can enjoy your favorite shows, movies, or games for longer without straining your eyes. It's perfect for families and anyone who wants a more comfortable and healthier viewing experience. And that is it from us, guys. I hope you found your dream TV, your dream gaming TV, because we've definitely found ours. Thank you so much, Skyworth, for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Know I miss you. Oh, baby. Oh, know I miss you, darling. Know I miss you, baby. Know I miss you, baby.